Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain how to forcefully re-render a component in React or React Native. I will explain line by line. When you check on my screen, you can see that I have a component, refresh component. At line 1, I imported React module and useReducer. useReducer is a hook in React. We are going to use useReducer hook for forcefully re-render a React or React Native component. So our component name is refresh component. Then I define a reducer with a dummy state. I have a useReducer hook and it has a state. It will increment by 1 every time. This 0 is the initial value of the state. So next step it will become 1, then next another time it will be 2, then 3, and so on. So here I have a trigger re-render function also. There is no state, there is only placeholder. Now I have a function handle button click. It's an arrow function. Inside the arrow function I have trigger re-render function, which is called here, which is we got from here. Trigger re-render function. When we call this handle button click, it will automatically call this trigger re-render function. In our return, I have div h1 and button. h1 component refresh example. In the button, I have on click event which will call handle button click with the button name refresh. We have export default refresh component. So when we click on this button, automatically this on click event will work. Then handle button click function will be called, which will call trigger re-render function, which will increment the state by 1, which will become initially it is 0, now it will become 1. Then it will cause a re-render of this refresh component. So by using this code, using this useReducer hook, you can forcefully re-render a React or React Native component. So use useReducer hook. This hook in this way, you can easily forcefully refresh a React or React Native component. Here I don't mention the state. You can use a placeholder instead, or you can make it empty like this. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.